Hello guys, this is Danish personal trainer. So I would like to show you today about kettlebell, how to use the kettlebell. So kettlebell is the complete gym. You can do a lot of workout with this and can burn the fat and you can build your muscle and you can build your strength. Okay. So so this is the kettlebell. We call this kettlebell. So I'm gonna show you one exercise that's called kettlebell swing. This is the best exercise, good for core, it's good for your hamstring, it's good for your quads and totally for fitness. So I'll show you how to do this one. First exercise, cutting wall swing. So hold this way, and bring it down and up. This exercise called cutting wall swing. Make sure inhale, exhale properly and engage your core. So squeeze your glutes when you pull up. Okay. So next exercise, clean and rest. This exercise is good for your head, your shoulder strength, your arm strength, your core, and as well fat burning. So I'll show you how to do this. Clean and dress. This technique is very important. How to bring up on for clean that need to jack up. Sure. Okay. Yes. Here. Uh, again back. Exhale. Engage your core. Yes, technique is very important. Make sure you save your this muscle. Forearms walking. This is a clean and press. You can do both with two hands if you have two kettlebell. Otherwise, you can do one by one, right? And then do same reps. Or when you do right and left. So third exercise, I'm going to show you with kettlebell squat. That's called sumo squat. Sumo squat, we will do sumo squat with press. So on this exercise, your full body will work. Lower body and even upper body also. Okay, I'm going to show you. Just make sure your feet should be V shape. Your toe should be out. Okay, go from here. Touch on the floor. Now, floor. There's so much squat and upper body of the crabs. That's exercise to lose fat, to build stamina, good for core, good for your legs and gills as well. So, so you can use a lot of for a lot of purpose of this exercise. This kettlebell. The last one I will show you for biceps. The second last. You can use bicep as small, like say Hamilton. Hamilton and concentration cut. You can build your arms in this. Hold this way, this up. Make sure active your core. So you will feel your core is working also. You will have both benefits for arms and for your core. Okay, when you walk, make contraction properly. Yes. I did three exercises. The first one, full body. The next one, full body. The third one now for biceps. So bicep cans. So I will show you one more exercise was for triceps. So that's overhead press. So all exercises can be performed in kettlebell only. Over from here, legs is strong, like this way. This is more important all over the structure. Bring up, press. Make sure to watch your elbows, you can open more. You go all the way up, and you say, keep engage your core. So this is the kettlebell with me. You can enjoy all the workouts with kettlebell if you have at home. You don't need to go to gym. So if you want to see more video, if you want to learn about more kettlebell or some other stuff, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you want to ask any program, anything, you can ask me on comment section. So I will answer you what you want to ask. Okay. Thank you. Bye. See you again.